Common exercise and training. Effective exercise and training plans follow particular principles that help individuals keep fit. It might be known in assorted terms and is accomplished through different means. Recognizing them and applying them in your own fitness regimen may help make it more effective in getting the results that you require. How effective are the exercise routine that you adopt would depend upon particular factors. This will help determine how fast you are able to slim down, improve stamina or increase athletic performance. Here are some exercise variables that you have to consider when attempting to develop your own fitness plan or regimen. Exercise frequency. This refers to how frequently you exercise. The frequency will let you develop an exercise regimen that you do on a particular schedule, let us say, a weekly basis. If you plan to exercise for 2 days in a week, you are able to speed up getting results by adding another day of training for the week. Exercise intensity. This refers to the level of physical activity of your exercise plan. How hard you press yourself in every exercise session is likewise a factor in the effectiveness of a workout and training program. For instance, using jogging one time and walking one session would have different results. Doing more running instead of short bouts of walking or jogging would certainly have a different result from walking each session. Sort of exercise. This refers to the sort of exercise included in your regimen. There are different sorts of exercises to pick from, with each type being able to develop a particular part of the body better than the other. Knowledge of these sorts of exercises may help you develop a particular regimen that may be centered on improving target parts of the body. Length of exercise. This refers to the time that's spent in doing the exercises. How long you do every exercise session will ultimately decide how fast or how slow that you acquire results. This is important to avoid injury and improve results. These exercise and training variables may be used in developing a sealed exercise plan that would allow better performance as well as results. You might be able to begin with utilizing the different exercise variables in a way that you feel comfortable with. Along the way, you are able to then alter any or all of these variables to either better the efficiency as well as to reach the target results. The variables may also be utilized ideally just to make the exercise plan even more interesting once they begin to become too routine. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and for more video like this please click the notification bell. Thank you for watching.